Karbonn Mobiles has introduced a new smartphone with the launch of Karbonn Titanium Frame S7, and just like Vivo and Oppo, the device is all set to take part in the selfie game, as the key highlight of the device is its front-facing camera. Now here we have the Indian retail unit with us, and let's unbox it. Here we have the smartphone itself inside the box, which is in black color variant, and the official name of this color is the titanium black. Inside the box there is a plastic transparent case, and we have a micro USB cable, an in-ear headset, and a standard 1.5 ampere charger. And we have a screen protector also included in the box with some documentation. Let's have a look at the smartphone now. Here we have the timeless black color variant of the device, which is made of all metal and has curved edges. The Frame S7 features a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display which has a 2.5D curved glass, and the device is powered by a MediaTek 1.45 GHz quad-core processor. The smartphone features a 13 megapixel rear camera with flash and a 13 megapixel front camera accompanied by a soft flash. The device is running on Android 7.0 Nougat and supports USB on the go and VoLTE. In terms of memory, it features a 3 gigabits of RAM and a 32 gigabits of internal storage, which can be expanded as the device features a hybrid SIM slot. In terms of battery, the device is backed by a 3000 mAh battery. The device will be available in three color variants: the timeless black, the bold red, and the champagne gold. The box price of the device, that is the Karbonn Titanium S7, is 10,990 rupees. The device could be available at a lesser price. The smartphone will be available exclusively from ShopClose with some special launch day offers. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.